welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do something different for you guys. As the last few videos of mine have all been beauty related, I wanted to bring in more lifestyle content to this video. So for today's video, as you can already tell from the title, I am going to show you how I organize my cupboard. Now before we get into this video, I do have to tell you a couple of things. First thing, please don't judge me based on how filthy my cupboard looks. I don't know how I let it get this far this time. I don't know. I just got lazy, plus I got really tired and I wasn't even well for the last couple of days. So I just let go of all of this and let it go really bad. To top it off, we did have a lot of guests in the last couple of weeks, somebody or the other coming home, and my cupboard was the perfect place to dump everything in. From like anything extra, I dumped it in my cupboard that I wanted to keep safe, or any new couriers that came, I dumped it in my cupboard, which is why you'll see really random things in my cupboard. The second thing, please don't leave me after seeing how disgusting my cupboard looks. And the third and the most important thing is that in this video, I'm not really telling you how you need to organize your cupboards or how you need to organize your wardrobes or your clothes. I'm just showing you how I do it because I don't really do a fantastic job at it. So I'm in no position to tell you how to do it. But if you want to get a few laughs and if you want to see how I managed to store a few clothes in a really tiny cupboard, then this is the video that you need to watch. So the house that I live in is a standard MES accommodation. It's a standard government accommodation that we are provided with. This is one of the smaller accommodations that we get. I've normally lived in a bigger house than this, and we do have more space in a bigger house, more cupboards obviously, so it's just easier to store in more stuff. So I do have this cupboard. This white thing that you see in the background over here is my cupboard. And I also have a trunk in my room over here. So this trunk holds a lot of other clothes that, you know, I don't need every single day. It does hold a lot of swimsuits. It holds. Also, my trunk has a lot of, you know, clothes that I can wear during autumn, like sweatshirts and full sleeve shirts and things like that, and shrugs, basic shrugs. So I can start wearing them in September and October, and I do have enough time to, you know, put in a few of my summer clothes and get my winter clothes out from storage, because my winter clothes and everything, all my heavy woolens and my jackets and everything, they sit in trunks of their own, and those trunks sit in the storeroom because that's how we live. We live out of our boxes. Yeah, now that I've gotten all of this out of the way, if you are new over here and you know my life story by now, you need to know that my name is Aikya and I make beauty related videos, and I do make lifestyle videos as well. And I post every Tuesday and Friday. If you enjoy watching these sort of videos, and if you like what I'm talking about, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a shot. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It's absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified each time I post a new video.
So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So my cupboard is full of really embarrassing things, you guys. I just found band-aid and absolute rubbish in my cupboard. I even have some courier packets. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just pulling everything out of my cupboard because everything is in a mess, as you can clearly see. I do have some ironed clothes which were about to get totally spoiled if I were not to, you know, do this organization this time. So I do have a lot of clothes that I've tried on and I've just put back because I didn't like, or I didn't want to wear it that day. I'm putting it all properly and dumping it on my bed. Next, I'm going to deal with the briefcase that I have. This holds all my important documents, and I'm very old school like that. Look at what I found. I found a thing I made for Venki, and I just put that in as well. And this is a folder I got from Amazon, and it was lying in a courier box in my cupboard. And in here I'm putting all of my, you know, memories, old letters and things that I would like to hold on to. I just put all of that in my briefcase. Did you just see what I did with a brand new dress? Like, I just thrown it in my cupboard, and I think I need to stop giving you running commentary of what I'm doing. But oh yeah, what I meant by dumping everything on the bed was that I'm not just blindly dumping everything on the bed, even though it may seem like it. I'm putting everything in piles of clothes. For example, I'm putting things, all shirts together, all t-shirts together, all dresses together, and etc, etc. So I can, you know, fetch everything together and put it back, stack it all together, like all t-shirts in the same place, all trousers and jeans in the same place, and all of that. and I had no idea that my shorts were going to show in this video. Otherwise I would have totally worn something more appropriate for this video, something that would have gone with my top. Please don't question my fashion choice. I thought only my top was going to be seen, and which is why I decided to wear it like this, and I ended up looking like a buffoon. Anyway, what I'm doing is in my cupboard, things that I can hang, like things that are all the plaid shirts, all shirts or things that have smaller necks, I've decided to hang them in that hanger space that I have, because it's going to, I just want to use all the vertical space as well. I can't hang all my off-shoulder tops or tops with broader necklines, because they're not going to sit on hangers, which is why I'm doing this. You can tell that I didn't really put in much effort for the top shelf, topmost row, because that is something that I hadn't really touched much. Those are the clothes that I don't really touch much anyway, and I don't wear a lot of those. In my top shelf, I've just put in really long tops and things like kurtas, but not kurtas, but really long tops and jeans and trousers and skirts, things that I don't really reach out to very often. I've put in there, and in the middle shelf and the bottom shelf and in the last one, even the vertical space, I've just put in clothes that I wear and touch on a very regular basis. Oh, so I just found something very new that I got for my birthday from Venki, and I'd completely forgotten about it. So as you can see, I'm putting clothes back in stacks, and these are the stacks that I found from the piles that I put on my bed, you know. And those two boxes over there, the pink baskets, those I did not organize for this video, and actually I'm not going to show in this video anyway. Those two baskets hold all my lingerie and my undergarments and things that I don't really want anyone to see if I by chance open my cupboard in front of anybody, which is not really a major possibility considering how disgusting it looks normally.
So I've finally done it, and I think my only motivation was to finish this video quickly, which is why I could finish this. I do have a few clothes lying over here, but those are the clothes that I need to discard, and some of them that I need to get rid of, like these leggings, which I'm not really going to use anymore. So these, and then some clothes that I need to go for laundry, and some clothes that don't belong to me that are Venki's, and they're just lying in my cupboard. So here I have, this basket basically holds all of my small sling bags and things like that, and this basket that is not shut and the lid is lying over here. This bag also has a few bags. It has two big bags and a few other random bits and bobs that I really need to sort through, and over there I do have extra sanitary napkins and tampons and things like that. There is my briefcase, which, yes, I'm very old school like that, but I do have a briefcase in my house. We all have one briefcase with like few important documents of ours in there. And over here I have just put all the clothes that I feel I don't wear enough anymore, so I just put them out so I can have a look at them and I can wear them like this. And obviously I wanted to use some vertical space as well, which I didn't really have much of, so whatever little I did have, I just decided to use it like this. I got this blue thing from one of those local Awa shops. So in here I do have more tampons and pads and things like that that are for like immediate use. You know, excess bits and bobs like drawstrings and things like that for suits and petticoats. So that's that. Coming to the second shelf over here, these two boxes hold a lot of my lingerie and other sort of undergarments and other things like innerwear and spaghettis and nightwear that I don't want on display, especially if I open this cupboard by mistake in front of other people. This is a very tiny room and I almost always have a few people roaming around at home, and if at all I open the cupboard, I mean, this is a habit that I've been in since the very beginning, like since childhood, that I've always had a storage like this for my undergarments, because in case I ever open my cupboard in front of anybody, which I don't because it's always in a very bad state, I you know, don't want to be embarrassed, and I don't want undergarments lying around. I just don't find, I am just not comfortable with that, which is why I put it in here. But as you can tell, like you can totally tell from here, I have just stuffed it with a lot of things right now. and not just undergarments. So I need to sort that out as well, and that is for another time because I'm a little tired today and I need to finish this video really quick. And over here I have a few dresses that are completely casual dresses, like the sort of things that I'm going to wear when I go swimming, and you know, just like right here in the shoppe or right here in the can, not really going out. Over here I have some tops that I have worn quite a bit, so I can wear these at home. Like these are sort of t-shirts, and not t-shirts, these are sort of tops with that soft material. And here are basically other tops that I need to remind myself to wear, and that's the first row over here. The second row over here houses like loads of other clothes. So I'm just going to start off with this area. These are all my maxi dresses that I'm going to wear in rotation, and these are basically to be worn whenever I want. Over here I have my other dresses. These are all knee-length dresses or slightly shorter ones, and these are also just like not very casual, but then slightly dressier versions of these like very casual dresses. Then over here I have all of my off-shoulder tops. I don't know why I've done this for the first time, like I've put my off-shoulder tops separately, because I've just realized that these tops do get, you know, inside these, and then I don't end up wearing these at all. Like these I completely miss out on, which is why I've just put them separately this time, so I can have a look at them whenever I'm wearing other things, and I can get these out and wear these. And over here I have all of my lowers and my bottom wear at like for home, because I like to wear pajamas at home. So here are all of my pajamas, and most of them have gone for laundry because for the last couple of days I've just been washing up a lot of clothes that my laundry had piled up. And over here I have all my tops and some of my like dresses that I wear at home, but mostly these are all tops. So basically by the time I get those clothes back from, you know, ironing, and I washed them, and when I get those clothes back from ironing, till that time I'm going to, you know, use these clothes, and then these are going to go. So in rotation I'm going to wear these clothes like that. Coming on to the last row, and probably the messiest one because I haven't been able to do this really properly. This is how it was earlier, and I just put things on top. Anyway, so these are all my skirts. Like I initially wanted to do maxi sort of full length skirts and shorter ones and all of that, but I just put them all together because I don't have a lot of skirts and I don't wear a lot of skirts. I am definitely more of a dress person. Over here in a very messy pile, I mean, believe it or not, but this is not supposed to be a pile like this. This is supposed to be like things on top of each other. But these are all my really long tops, like kurtas, but not kurtas. Like this is like one of those really long t-shirt dresses with a big slit. So those sort of clothes are in here. These two piles over here, I initially used to put all my t-shirts together, but then I've just separated it this time. Like I've put all my tops together, everything that I need to wear outside or at home and things like that. And over here I just put t-shirts that I like wearing to the gym, and here I have all of my bottoms that I wear to the gym, and over here I have my jeans and trousers and one palazzo and a pair of shorts, because you know, I didn't know where to put all these things, and I'm not much of a jeans person anyway. Like I don't really enjoy wearing a lot of jeans or leggings, especially during the summer, so I don't have a lot of pairs out. Most of my pairs are in my trunk. I just have like 2, 3 or 4, probably 4 pairs over here, and everything else is in there. And I do have a few trousers over here that I don't really reach out to much often. As you can tell, I'm more of a dress person, and that is what I wear during summers, and even during winters I really like wearing my dresses with leggings and boots. And I've sort of tried to color coordinate them over here. I do have a lot of pink tops over here, and like that. That is a very special present from my brother. With his first salary, he got me a lot of things with his first salary, so that bag is one of them. It's from Mango. And yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. This is how my cupboard looks. It's all finished, and this is what it looks like. And I can't show you the rest of the room right now because that is in a complete mess. So that was it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching how I organize this really tiny cupboard. I know that I'm going to mess it up within the next week again, and I need to come up with a better idea to organize my cupboard. If you have video recommendations, or if you have any recommendations at all, please let me know in the comments down below how I can make my life easier and store the same things in my cupboard, the kind of things that you've already seen. If you like this video, I do have my dressing table organization in the pipeline as well. I would definitely like to shoot a video on that, show you how I like to organize my dressing table, how I like to put away all my products. Again, I don't really have much space over there, and let me know if you'd like to watch that video. Let me know what other videos you'd like to watch, what's on my iPhone, what's in my fridge. I mean, just give me more ideas, and I would like to do more such videos as well. So it's a healthy mix of beauty and lifestyle in my channel, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the bell icon on the side so you get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.